Hey guys, it's Christian again from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I went Tuesday morning today and I want to show you what I got. Some good stuff. We got some Jen Hadfield chipboard stickers. Sorry about the glare, but this looks really cute and it pairs up perfectly. I think this is from the Simple Life collection. I was also able to get the Simple Life 6x6 paper pad right there. You can see the designs, and that's cute. And let me just give you, it's subdued, very neutral. It's a nice farmhouse-ish country style collection from Jen Hadfield. Very cute. Cute. And together with that, I think there's a lot of Jen Hadfield that I was able to get. And then next one, I'll just show you all of the Jen Hadfields that I have. And together with that, this is the sticker, like a phrase accent stickers. That's a skew right there. I love this. How cute is that? It's like a beige to brown suitcase. And then it looks like acetate or like a clear sticker around it. So it's not white. And it's double-sided. Very cute indeed. So that, I think that's all I got from this collection, all these three from Simple Life. Next, I was able to find Warm and Cozy. Let's do a quick, like a sweater. Sorry about the shadow. Very fall. Love it. I don't know what to use with the bullseye though, but the rest of it is very pretty. This is my favorite, the cut aparts. And with that, I think this one is also from the Warm and Cozy. Let me show you what they have inside. So cute. Let's stay home. That one. Let's stay home. Very cute. Very fall. I hope you can see that clearly. And I think I do have something else. Here's another one that is, and it's double-sided. So it's wood grainish. So I got two of that. And then this one. This is another, it's accent stickers. I am so happy. I love Jen Hadfield. I love her style. So cute. Next, I found some Willow Lane. I don't have any Willow Lane at all. So this is a 6x8. So there's two pads that was available on there. Willow Lane. This one has gold foiling. I'm sure you've seen this already, but for some that has not, it's my first time to see this in person in Tuesday morning. Like the yellow. Ooh, very pretty. Neutral. So that's that. And then this one is the other one, but this one has 36 sheets. How cute is this? Love that. Very pretty. Very pretty. I like that yellow one, that one. Very pretty. So that's Willow Lane. And then look at what they have. They have the set of acrylic stamps that matches with this one. So that's pretty awesome. And then I got 2 stickers sheets, $1.99 each. And it's double-sided. I'm sure everybody's seen this. But I like seeing what people get in detail. I am probably going to make a mini album because of the 6x8 size. It's pretty awesome. Next is some more Jen Hadfield stuff. This is from her My Bright Life collection. I'm going to do a separate haul of some My Bright Life collection that I got from scrapbook.com. That'll be coming up in my channel very soon. Watch out. I hope you would watch it too. How cute is this? The book with a camera on top. It's so nice. I like it. It's bright. Then this one is another Jen Hadfield. I also bought some of this stuff when it was released in scrapbook.com. And I'm so happy that they have these at Tuesday morning. And this one, I love, this is real wood, like very thin wood. And all you need to do is just cut up like a 4x5 piece of cardstock, fold it. Just simple, put this on it, pattern paper, put it on top, and you have a birthday card. How cute. And then some more Jen Hadfield. So they had 2 kinds of ephemera. Let me see. This one is from Jen Hadfield. This is what it has in there. So I bought a lot of that at Joann's when it was on sale. $1.99. Not bad for an entire ephemera pack. But they had a lot of it. So I didn't buy a lot of it. I saved some for other people. But this is cute. It's just so inspiring. So you can make your own. I love doing DIY embellishments. I thought that this would inspire. This would be inspiring to make your own. And then this one is from My Bright Life. And this is what it has. How cute. I love globes. And they have bowls. The bookmarks. How cute. From the kitchen. From our kitchen to yours. How cute. They also have stamps in My Tuesday Morning. So this is from Patio Party. I love this collection so much. And oh, I got 2 of this ephemera pack from My Bright Life. I love this so much. And then this one is Along the Way. I love the wood part. I think it's so cute. And it has like gold foiling in the middle. How adorable. Then this one, just a simple double-sided tape. So that's pretty much my haul. And then I got some magnets from Amazon. I was gonna use it to make mini albums. I'm so inspired by Rosa Kelly's tutorials on making your own mini albums. Hi Rosa, thank you for the inspiration. Anyways, I hope you like my Tuesday morning haul. Stay tuned for another one from scrapbook.com. And I hope you have a great time. I hope this inspires you to craft. Take care, stay crafty, bye.